Agrimax, eradicating poverty by boosting yields and boosting wealth.
Good
morning, Jack.
Yeah, morning.
Today we are here in Rabor, Western Kenya, Nyanza province, and we're here to visit one of our good clients and friend, Jack Apunda, to see what he has managed to do with a new product called Agrimax. Agrimax is a super plant food that has been created in Africa for African farmers.
Yes.
Now, Agrimax is a product that can be applied on horticultural products, vegetables, flowers, plants that are grown in Kenya, in Africa, for the purpose of consumption, for human consumption, for animal consumption, as well as for other uses. It has been applied for the growth of maize, tomatoes, potatoes, beans, flowers, and many other crops. Here is an example of the results that it can produce on the application of maize. So these maize stalks, Jack.
Yes.
When were they planted?
2.5 months ago.
2.5 months ago.
Yes.
And I understand that on this land you used no fertilizer whatsoever.
Exactly, yes.
No fertilizer on the land?
No.
No addition?
No.
Nothing on the surface?
No.
So if you look at the plants, if you look at these stalks of maize, you find that they are 50% taller than what you would expect.
The normal one.
The normal one
growth.
To be after 2.5 months.
Exactly, yes.
So how do you think that they have grown so much?
In fact, to my experience, because I used Agrimax, and I sprayed 3 times in a row.
Okay.
The way it's supposed to be sprayed.
Yes.
Then I came to realize that exactly what I did has proved to be correct.
So tell me. So 2.5 months ago you planted the maize seeds?
Yes.
Then what did you do?
After 20 days after germination,
Yes.
I sprayed Agrimax.
Yes.
Then 15 days,
Yes.
spraying interval,
Yes.
I sprayed again.
Yes.
Then a month later,
Yes.
I sprayed Agrimax.
Yes.
Then I stopped there.
Okay.
The crop started growing like something else.
So you sprayed 3 times?
I sprayed 3 times
Okay.
in a row.
So here you have 5 rows of
maize. Yes.
And how much Agrimax product did you use in those 3 sprayings?
I used 2 liters only of
2 liters.
Agrimax.
Okay.
Yes.
2 liters for this entire field?
Exactly.
Mixed with water?
Yes.
Okay.
Only 2 liters.
Okay.
Yes.
So we expect to come back in 2 weeks' time to find out how much maize cobs you have yielded from this area. From
Precisely, yes. Okay. If you come, then we'll see exactly what the production is.
Now, Jack, you told me that there is a serious problem of neurosis disease.
Yes.
In maize, for maize farmers here in Kenya.
Yes.
And last year, almost the entire crop of Kenya was devastated because of that disease.
Correct.
Has that disease affected your farm here?
Yeah, in fact, it started affecting it.
Can we see an example of that?
This is an example of one of the maize which it affected. But because I used Agrimax, Agrimax suppressed that disease. So still you can see the cob is healthy.
Yes.
Otherwise, without using Agrimax, this crop could have died completely. So Agrimax also, what I realized, it suppresses neurosis maize lethal when you spray it.
And is there also any spreading of the disease to the surrounding maize stalks?
Not really. After you have sprayed this, it stops. It doesn't spread. Okay. It controls the spread of the disease.
So what would have happened if you had not applied Agrimax?
The whole farm could have been swept.
Wow.
This disease is lethal. It doesn't give damp to maize. It clears the whole farm.
And that has been experienced by many farmers?
Yes, in the whole country. even Rift Valley, where they grow a lot of maize.
Yes.
There's no maize in Rift Valley now. There's no maize in Kenya because of this lethal disease.
So with this product, not only do you get larger stalks, you can get more cobs. If you see this, there are 3 cobs
Yes.
on this single plant.
Exactly.
Is that normal?
Not normal. This is because of Agrimax. And this is what we are realizing, and this is why we love Agrimax.
Yes.
Because the production becomes double.
Yes.
It's wonderful.
So not only are you getting taller plants, you're getting better yield, you're also preventing very lethal diseases from spreading throughout your farm.
Precisely, yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
And in this farm, you have only used 2 liters.
Only 2 liters.
And that 2 liters cost how much?
2,500.
2,500
Yes.
shillings.
Only that.
Okay.
Yeah. But if I could have used DAP,
Yes.
DAP a bag
Yes.
is 6,000 shillings in Kenya.
Yes.
After using DAP, you will have to use CN for top dressing,
Yes.
which is 2,600 again,
Yes.
before you spray anything.
So on the same farm that you use 2,500 shillings of Agrimax,
Yes.
how much would the cost of fertilizer be?
A lot, because it's a lot, because fertilizer, DAP alone is 6,000
Yes.
plus 2,600.
Yes.
You see,
Yes.
that is over 8,000
Over
shillings.
8,600.
Secondly, another funny thing with Agrimax,
Yes.
when you spray it, insects
Yes.
don't even penetrate into the crop. It produces some film
Yes.
on the leaves of the plant.
Yes.
So it's like it's covering the leaves so that anything which attacks crops does not attack.
But as we say,
Yeah.
the human body, when the human body is healthy,
Yes.
then there's no disease that can attack us. In the same way, when the plant is healthy,
Yeah.
then even disease cannot attack
This is
us.
what I realized with Agrimax.
Yes.
It makes the plant very healthy.
Yes.
You see, this is dry season.
Yes.
This is dry season in our area. There's no rain.
Yes.
And you can see how good it has done
Yes.
because of Agrimax.
Yes. Tell me, Jack,
Yeah.
you started using Agrimax with tomatoes.
Yes.
Do you have any tomatoes now, or they are already
No,
harvested?
we have harvested and it's over.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me, how many tomatoes did you grow? On what area?
I grew, it was 1 acre.
1 acre.
Yeah.
Okay. And before you used Agrimax, you were growing tomatoes
Yes.
with fertilizer?
Yeah.
Okay. And how much fertilizer would you use in that acre?
In fact, 1 acre, I used to apply a bag,
Yes.
50 kg
Yes.
of DAP,
Yes.
then top dress with 50 kg
Yes.
of CN.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now, when you used Agrimax, did you also use fertilizer at that time?
No.
Or- Okay.
I didn't.
So again, you didn't use any fertilizer?
No, I didn't.
Only Agrimax?
Yes.
On 1 acre?
Yeah.
And how much Agrimax did you use? in
3
that 1 acre?
liters.
3 liters.
3 liters.
So about 3,750,
Exact.
about 4,000 shillings.
Yes.
Okay. Now, when you use fertilizer, how much was your tomato yield? Is it in sacks? Is it in
No, it's
bushels?
in crates.
Crates, okay.
Yeah.
So how many crates of tomatoes did you produce when you were using fertilizer?
60.
60 crates.
60 crates.
Okay. Now, when you stopped using fertilizer and you only used Agrimax,
Yes.
how many crates of tomatoes did you produce from the same?
120 crates.
120 crates. Double.
Yes, because the yield was enormous. And in fact, you can witness, they came and saw it.
Yes.
One plant could give even 200 balls.
200.
Even 200 balls. But the normal fertilizer, you can get 50, 60 balls
Yes.
from one plant.
Yes.
But with Agrimax,
Yes.
the plant protrudes the life, it goes until one plant covers the whole area.
Yes.
With all fruits lying there.
Yes.
Yeah, I wish you saw.
Tell me about the size of the tomatoes. Was there any difference between the fertilizer
fact,
and the Agrimax
Yes,
tomatoes?
in fact, with Agrimax, the size of the fruits become a bit bigger
Yes.
and very much shiny. The quality
Yes.
becomes better than the normal fertilizer used.
So does that mean that you make more money when you sell those tomatoes?
Yeah, why not?
Yes.
Because of quality.
Yes.
Yeah, when you use Agrimax, quality becomes first thing. And people, those who buy, look for quality.
Yes.
Yeah. You see? So with Agrimax, my friend, there's no doubt. With me, I've tried it,
Yes.
and I've learned something out of it.
Yes.
Yeah.
So when are you going to plant tomatoes again?
After this,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
I'm going to plant after this.
Good luck, Jack.
Thank you, Bipin.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Agrimax. Contact us at www.agriterraafrica.com.